COVID-19 vaccines for children younger than 5 are rolling out this week. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration and U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention signed off on the shot's safety and efficacy. Like with any vaccine, though, it's possible kids may experience a few side effects. Side effects most commonly included pain at the injection site, and sometimes there was swelling or redness. As far as systemic or body-wide symptoms, the most common was fatigue or sleepiness. Some children had irritability or fussiness, loss of appetite, headache, abdominal pain or discomfort, enlarged lymph nodes, mild diarrhea or vomiting. But everyone got better quickly. Potential for fever. Kids were slightly more prone to get a fever with the Moderna vaccine. It happened with about a quarter of the trial participants versus less than 10% with Pfizer. Most of the fevers were mild. Less than 1% of all participants in the trial had a fever that reached 104 degrees. That was rare, but I feel like if we are not honest with parents when these things come out, that will be concerning, Paulson said. Because fevers were not common, Paulson does not recommend pre-treating a child by giving them a fever-reducing medicine before the shot. If the child develops a fever, he said, parents can give ibuprofen or acetaminophen. I really love when families come to me and they tell me they are a little bit unsure because it gives us an opportunity to really sit down face to face in a safe environment and talk about their concerns, she said. There's going to be a lot of conversation the next couple of months, and I think all of us pediatricians are ready for it, and we're welcoming this kind of conversation because overall, this is a really exciting time for us. Because finally, this vulnerable and very young age group who has kind of been left out of one of the best protective measures is now going to be eligible to be protected.